Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Daniel with Adam Campsite. So today I have a special product. So it's a Veitorld survival kit. So this past week was my birthday and I received a gift from Charlotte and Kenny Peterman. I always stay in touch with them and got a gift from them. So I appreciate this gift. Thank you so much. So this gift here is valued more than any product that I've actually provided here on my channel. I'm looking forward to opening this and checking every single piece of product in here and sharing that with you. So let's go ahead and check out what's in here. Oh, before I go, Charlotte, who actually is competing right now in the Miss Health and Fitness competition, currently she's second place. I would appreciate everyone to support her. If you want to go ahead and see what this competition is all about, I'll place a link down below. You'll be able to see her bio pertaining to, who she is and what she does. So there is a daily vote where you could vote for free. All it takes is pushing that link and voting for her. But again, let's go ahead and check out this product. All right. All right, nice and packaged. Cool. All right, nice little plastic bubble wrap. All right, okay, you got 4 sides. You got to unlock. You open it up. Nice. You got this user guide. Okay. All right, so the user guide has a lot of things, everything that's inside this box, and it has a information pertaining to each one. That's pretty cool. Oh, be careful. So there's a fork, spoon, I guess, with a knife, and you got to be careful as you take the fork and spoon out. All right, so first thing, okay, hey, look, wrist made a 550 cord. So we got a compass right here, little nice compass, and you got a can opener, I believe, and I believe this is it has ridges here. And, it has a nice little small knife right here, very sharp on this end, and right here there's ridges, and I believe that's for a flint. Yep, there's a flint right there. So I guess what you do, oh, there you go, cool, it's a flint. Awesome. So, and I'm pretty sure all you do is you snap it back in. You snap it, and that's it. It snaps. That's cool. Awesome. Let's try to put it on. All right, come on, let's go. Boom, there you go. Snapped right in. Awesome. It's like a watch. All right, so next you got bottle carrier. So these right here, all you do is you put your bottle in here, your bottle cap right there, and then you close it up and then you snap it. And the other side, obviously, you put it on your belt and you're walking with your bottle. Cool. Next, oh, we got a bigger flint here. Cool. Bigger, nice. I'm not gonna go ahead and do it because we're inside. Bottle opener, and not sure if you can see, but there's measurements on here, so that's pretty cool. Awesome. Nice. Your emergency blanket, warm time. Cool. Okay, so this is a pin and it's made of metal. So okay, so obviously this is a pin for breaking glass. Always nice to have that, break the glass. That's pretty cool. And that's all it is. It's just a pin. Nice and heavy duty pin. Awesome. All right, what's this? Okay, this is nice. Just a string right here. Always, you never know when you might need a piece of string. Fishing string with a hook and some bait. A little rubber piece of bait. Cool. All right, so this right here is your spoon and fork, and there is a knife in here, so you got to be careful when you open it up. So you don't want to grab it from here and then cut yourself, so you gotta be careful. There it is, nice and sharp. Can opener, I'm assuming, on the side. I'm not sure, but either way, rough edges on this side. And then this right here, I'm not sure what this might be for, these holes here. Usually it's for some reason. They're there for some reason. I'm not sure what, but we'll see. See if there's oh, maybe for fishing. I don't know. Yeah, fishing. Tie your string there, and who knows. All right, cool. Okay, here we go. What is this? Oh, here you go. Your flashlight. Oh, there's no batteries. That's all right. We'll find some batteries. Yep. So you gotta, yeah, just no batteries, but I guess, you know, you gotta buy your own batteries. It doesn't come with batteries at all. Cool. Either way, all he needs is what is it? 1 AA. Again, all this is for emergencies reasons. So nice little hand grip. It's awesome. All right, and you got this right here. Oh, this is cool. All right, a multi-tool kit. Here's the instructions. All right, 1 can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench for various size nuts and bolt heads, butterfly wrench, saw blade, 2-position wrench, lanyard hole, key ring. So I'm going to go ahead and put those directions inside here so I don't forget what that's for. And you have this right here, which is to cut wood. All right, so what you do is you string this out and you end up like sawing the wood. It's a string. You just grab and you saw back and forth, and this actually cuts the wood. You know, might not be for thick wood, but just for the small, branches, might be good for that. So that's really cool to have. And then finally, we have the main event, and that is a cool knife. Oh yeah, nice. All right, yep, your the knife right here. Obviously you got your key, it locks in place, obviously it comes out, locking mechanism, and also you go ahead and unlock it, and there's a hook here to cut things. Also you have your window breaker too. It has a window breaker, so that's pretty cool. Awesome, cool, man. Really cool gift. And that is pretty much it. And then you got this box where you can put your good stuff in there to keep it nice and secured, or even might be waterproof. But thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this unpackaging and unboxing as well. So, and thank you so much, Peterman's, for this gift. I really do appreciate this gift. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. There is more products to come as we move forward. Please keep an eye out on that. But thank you so much, everyone, for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and as always, I catch you on the flip side.